up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. This is my first video in 3 weeks because I broke this finger. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I did talk about it a little bit in an axe throwing league. Broke the finger throwing the axes, didn't hit it with the axe. So been out of commission for a little bit with trying to just be a little gentle with it and things like that. However, in the process, I had a tree cut down that was dead in the backyard, so we got that done. The gentleman who did it, Adam Mosier with Mosier's Tree Service, he wanted to sponsor one of my videos. So this one is for Mr. Mosier and the Mosier Tree Service. If you are in the Topeka, Kansas area and you need tree work done, trees cut down, you need slabs, you need pieces of wood, give him a call. He has great prices, he does great work, and I highly recommend him. He actually has given me several pieces, including some burls. So I have this piece right here, which is walnut. We've got a burl right here, this portion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that off and we're gonna turn a small bowl out of that. This is part of the slabbing that he does. Super happy with it. The rest I'll probably use for pen blanks and things like that. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that project with the Walnut Burl bull. First of all, the big thank you to Adam over at Mosier Tree Service. Like I said, reach out to him, and if you are in the Topeka, Kansas area and you are looking for any trees to be trimmed, taken down, anything like that, he is amazing with what he does and does great work. Here's the finished bowl. It is 8 inches across, 2.5 inches deep. I left it thick so it could keep the figuring of the wood. Left it a little bit live edge on the outside, finished with the Mahoney's walnut oil. So I like doing these live edge-esque pieces a la Phil Anderson. I'll put a link to his channel right up here if you haven't ever seen him for some strange reason. Definitely go check him out. He does some awesome stuff. And we'll go and we have a lot of fun watching that, learning from him, and we certainly do appreciate all that you contribute to the wood turning community. So, like I said, hope you like that. If this is your first time here, do consider subscribing. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment, feedback down below. I do appreciate them. I read them all and I do respond. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you next time.